Hello children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, part 1. Your fourth lesson is Rajput Age. In this lesson we are going to learn different dynasties and the kings ruled during early medieval age. In the early medieval age, several Rajput clans ruled over north and central India. See, fort and palaces built by different kings during ancient time in India. Hawa Mahal in Jaipur built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. City Palace in Udaipur by Maharana Uday Singh 11. Lakshmi Vilas Palace in Baroda by Maharaja Saijirao Gaikwad III. Jaisalmer Fort in Rajasthan, built by the Bhatti Rajput ruler Jaisal. The Red Fort in Delhi, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Such forts and palaces were constructed by kings in ancient times. We come across many such palaces and forts, some of which are in ruins while others are in good condition. There is a difference between the construction of structures in present times and the kind of work done in earlier ages. From these differences, we can make out the period during which a particular structure was constructed. Monuments constructed during the Rajput age can be seen even today. To know about that era, let us know about the main Indian dynasties of that time. Now, see the art and architecture, temples, forts and palaces built during the Rajput age. See Rajput art and architecture in the different temples. Vishwanatha Temple in Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. Kandaria Mahadev and Jagadambi Temple, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. Dilwara Jain Temple, Mount Abu in Rajasthan. In these temples, we can see the art and architecture of Rajput rulers. See the temple architecture during the Rajput age. It was built by different Rajput rulers. Chaturbhuj Temple built by Bundela Rajput in Madhya Pradesh. Hindu Temple built by Chandela Rajput in Khajuraho. Sun Temple of Modhera was built by Bhimdev Solanki. See the fort and palaces built by the different Rajput rulers. Junagadh Fort in Bikaner in Rajasthan, built by the Rathore Rajputs. Chandramahal in City Palace in Jaipur, built by Kachwaha Rajputs. Amber Fort in Jaipur. Rise of new dynasties. The period from the 7th to 12th century CE is an interesting phase in Indian history. After the death of Emperor Harshavardhana in the middle of 7th century CE, many feudal chieftains declared themselves to be independent and founded new dynasties. Who is feudal lord or landlord? The king divided his vast empire into three provinces. The person who collected the revenue of a particular province was called landlord or feudal lord or samanta. Many dynasties came into existence. A new ruling group called the Rajputs became very significant in North and Central India during 7th century. The period from 8th century to 12th century is known as the early medieval age in Indian history. The kingdoms of the early medieval period were divided into two parts, in North India and in South India. The main dynasties ruling North India were the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty, Pala dynasty, Chalukya dynasty, Paramar dynasty, and Chauhan dynasty. Second one in South India. The main dynasties ruling South India were the Pallava dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Kalyani Chalukya dynasty, Chera dynasty, Pandya dynasty, and Chola dynasty. First one, the dynasties in North India. After the death of Harsha, many kings ascended the throne of Kanuj. Among them, Yashovarma is considered as a powerful ruler of Kanuj. After him, the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty established its rule in Kanuj. The Pratihara dynasty protected India from Arab invasions. In this dynasty, Mihir Bhoj was the most powerful ruler, who was also known as Bhoj. He fought many battles with the Rashtrakutas in South India during his reign. The Paramar dynasty ruled Malwa. Ujjain and Darnagari were the two main cities of Malwa. King Munj and King Bhoj of Parmar dynasty were not only good rulers but also good poets. Raja Bhoj or King Bhoj made Darnagari the center of studies, Vidyanagari, and established a university or Vidyapit for the study of Sanskrit literature. Many architectural monuments were built during this time. The Paramars fought many battles with the Chalukyas of the south. After the death of Raja Bhoj, the kingdom of Malwa weakened. Pala dynasty. Pala dynasty ruled over Bengal. The rulers of the Pala dynasty had added Pala to their names, and so their dynasty was known as the Pala dynasty. Their first king was Gobala I, came to power in the middle of the 8th century CE. Dharmapala and Devapala were the most powerful rulers of the Pala dynasty. The Palas ruled from Bengal and extended their territory over several regions of the present-day Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Assam, and Nepal. The power of the Palas started declining from the 11th century when King Mahipala I was defeated by the South Indian king Rajendra Chola. However, the power of the Palas was restored by Ramapala, who happened to be the last powerful ruler of the Pala dynasty. When Pala power was declining, a new family called the Senas became powerful in Bengal. The dynasty was founded by Samanta Sena. In the late 11th and 12th centuries, the Sena kings named Vijay Sena, Vallala Sena, and Lakshmana Sena gained considerable power. When Sena power was declining, the Khalji became powerful at the beginning of the 13th century. During the 7th and 8th centuries CE, many Rajput kings belonging to Chauhan or Chahman dynasty ruled over various parts of Rajasthan. One branch of Chauhan dynasty ruled over the place named Shakambari near Sambar Lake, which is to the north of Ajmer. in the beginning of the 8th century. Ajay ascended the throne of Shagambari in the 12th century and he established the city named Ajaymeru, which later became known as Ajmer. The rulers of Chauhan dynasty won over Delhi, the capital of the Tomar kings, and established their supremacy. Prithviraj III, or named as a Rai Pitora, was a powerful ruler of the Chauhan dynasty. Many stories and folk songs have been written about his bravery on the battlefield. A poet named Chand Bardai has narrated the story of the valor of Prithviraj Chauhan in his epic Prithviraj Raso. Valor means great courage in the face of danger, especially in battle. Bappa Rawal was the founder of Gohils or Guhils of Mewar, who were later known as Sisodia Rajputs. Many valiant kings existed in this dynasty. Kings of Chedi dynasty ruled over Jabalpur, which is to the south of the river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Their state was called a Chedi state of Kalachuri. Their, cap- their capital was in Tripure, presently Tewar in Madhya Pradesh. In the medieval era in Gujarat, the Rajput dynasties of the Chaudas, followed by the Solankis, ruled over Anilwada Patan. Here ends your part 1 of Rajput Age. Thank you.